In this video, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin. We're going to be analyzing the price of Bitcoin to see where price is heading and if Bitcoin is still bullish or bearish. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. I'm trying to hit 600 subs. As well as that, before investing into Bitcoin, please do your own research as I'm not a financial advisor. So looking on at CoinMarketCap, you can see Bitcoin is currently down 3.41% at the time of recording. On the daily chart here, you can see that Bitcoin was pretty much bearish, and then we were pretty much bearish. We did accumulate, and then from then onwards we did have the leg towards upside, but then I think we did tap in, pretty much liquidate a few areas, and then from the areas we did have a distribution schematic pretty much play out, and then therefore our price did drop. So if we go over to TradingView to start analyzing in more depth, so yeah, you can see here that in my opinion, I feel like we did have a distribution schematic, pretty much an accumulation schematic being played out, but it looks like it's pretty much just invalidated it. In my opinion, I feel like that price will still continue to drop. This is mainly due to the fact that there is a strong amount of liquidity based upon below there. If we do drop into like the 5 minute, and you can see here that there was a little head and shoulders pretty much made there, and then from then onwards a double top, pretty much a double top, double bottom essentially, and then price pretty much just came through, taking out everything, and yeah, pretty much not looking too good for Bitcoin. As well as that, you could have gotten some good buy opportunities throughout the day. You can see here that we did have a reversal. We had a change in character essentially, and then from here you could have waited for the pullback. You could have feel like, yeah, so then people would have bought upon this bearish candle and this bearish candle. The main reason that this got taken out is pretty much the price just pretty much induced liquidity from then onwards, and yeah, from then onwards we did have a bullish momentum. We did have another break of structure, and then price did come back into this last bearish candle, and then from then on we were pretty much bullish. But then as you can see, price did eventually reach the highs of a 39.55k, and then from then onwards we did, if we drop into the lower time frame, we could see possible distribution schematic being played out. So yeah, you can see we had a break of structure, had a little retest back upon, and then from then onwards we did have more break of structures towards the downside, which pretty much intended bearish momentum coming through into the market. And then from on the 5 minute, you can see that we did have another break of structure, and yeah, and what did price do? Pretty much just drop down. In my opinion, I think we could be bearish towards the downside. I think that price could possibly reach around 30k, but it just depends on Bitcoin. You know, it doesn't listen to anyone. I felt like this would have been a strong demand zone, as there was a huge increase in price from here. You can see the amount of pretty much the amount of orders within this, that there's just a straight north candle, pretty much a Burj Khalifa when it comes to trading. And as well as that, there's still liquidity base below here, but we're just gonna have to wait and see. You can see that there is strong bearish momentum coming through into the market, which isn't looking too good, as the overall market is pretty much bearish. At the start of the day, everything was pretty much green around about this region, but then from the whole drop, essentially everything just went bearish. So if you look over here, you can see that this was pretty much liquidity based upon both of these double tops, and then you can see here that I think there was a demand, there was pretty much a supply zone up here, and pretty much tapped into the supply zone, and then from then onwards we did have a huge drop towards the downside, pretty much making lower lows and lower highs. So you can see lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and then lower low essentially. So it is looking very bearish for Bitcoin at the moment, but we're gonna have to wait and see. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. I'm trying to hit 500 subs. Peace.